So mga idol, CGL Titans versus Kinos Hoops. Official referee na raw, amigo. Oh, muna yung referee ha. Shout out Uswag Kibawi Daily Hoops. Assistant coach Hipos. Picturing akong pare, Lara Arnold de la Cruz. Ayan na mga idol, umpisa na ang laban. Umpisa na ang laban mga idol. Between CGL Titans versus Kinos Hoops.
Okay, class 2, CGL Titans.
Seven.
Okay, let's begin. Kinos versus CGL Titans.
It's a battle between CGL Titans versus Kinos Hoops.
Trasona. Short pick up by Rocky 7-7. Huli. Jumbo lang tinawag na referee. Sayang, sobrang lakas ang tira ni Wid. Marquiso. Inbound by GP Corpus. Twins! GP Corpus! Huli! Corpus on attack! Oh, back-to-back shot by GP Corpus! Defense! Huli!
Second foul, second personal foul.
Umpisa pala mga idol. Sobrang ganda ng laban. Kayawid! Huli! Corpus, tumira ng 3. Short! Pasa! Shot! Oh! Defense! Go CGL Titans! Huli!
Ako kuyawan ni sa manok pre. Sa kuyawan bukan ni pre.
Yung pare ko, kinakabahan daw siya. Pupusta siya ng 100,000, di siya kinakabahan. Dito sa basketball, kinabahan siya. Ganda lang laban mga idol ha. Kinos versus CGL Titans.
No good. And connected. At the flat. And connected. Thirteen shot. At the flat. And steal. Pass the shoot. It was a blood technical foul.
First charity throw, Mr. Silva.
No good. No good. No good. At the top. 15 to shoot. No good.
Defense!
Shot clock. 10.
Score mga idol, 10-2. Score.
No good.
Back-to-back shot by Galeros. Euro step. Defense. Huli, huli. Huli. Huli.
15 to shoot. No good.
Pa lang. Sunod, sunod.
15 shot clock. It's a shot clock violation.
Umaga ng line violation si Trasona. Stepping on the line.
That's it. 14 shot clock.
Pamero on the attack. Shot. Big rebound by Rocky. 7-7. Trasona.
15 to shoot.
Is there. Corbon. What a play by GP Corbon. Mabiling violation. Score mga idol, 7-2, 17-2. Kala. Wave.
55 seconds. With the penalty.
53 seconds ang natitirang oras first quarter.
48 shot clock.
Galeros titira na naman. Short, big rebound by Rocky 77. Wow! Hindi pumasok. Sayang! Sayang! Rocky 77. First charity throw is miss. Last throw of Mr. Rocky 77 is miss again. Pick up by Corpus. Corpus inside. Pass! Lakas pa rin. Nakuha ni Rocky. Pick up by the number 8. Number 8, Jersey, nagmamadali. Easy layup, short.
Unconnected 31. Ball half.
32 seconds ang natitirang oras. Kinos basketball. Steal by G.
Ano mo kang
JP Corpus. Pass to
25.
Uy, Sid. Sayang.
Inay lang, inay lang.
20. Pero may kasama.
Samang steal nitong Tatamero. Remaining time 14 seconds for the first quarter.
Atrasada. Third foul. Team penalty.
14 seconds. 17-2 score.
No good.
Ginawa doon, ginawa.
Unconnected.
Uli!
Connect for two. Wow.
Oh.
And
That's the end of first quarter. That's the end. Four against 17. CGL Titans lead by 13 points for the first quarter. Okay, back to the ball game mga idol.
Alright, ball position. Kenneth. Nice block.
Sack. Santa Cruz on the attack!
No good.
Andagan, tumira ng dos. Lakas.
Connected. Kenneth left.
Ento. Tawagan natin Pasa na! Piscadero! Oh! Sumabit! May sabit!
My God.
Di pumasok. May
For indeed.
Huli!
Enter flat.
Jorge!
No good. Ball
Inbound by jersey number 7. Steal by Jico Salem. Ay, so naagaw rin ang bola. Salaksakan. CJ Andagan. Papunta ang bola kay Sak J. Malakas. Agawan ng buko sa ilalim. Extra pass mula kay Santa Cruz. Tapal ang inabot.
with the block. No good. and connected.
Oras natin mga idol, 5 minutes po ang natitira.
14 shot clock. Was a blow signaling foul, jersey number 0. Foul.
Kapal si Andagan, nawagan ng first foul.
43. After that, jersey number 0.
Ichikats ang tinawag na referee. Inbound by Ramel to Andagan. Andagan, short.
Answer set. With a blow to no good. Ball player
Santa Cruz.
No good. With a blow.
Into jersey number 20. First charity throw is good. Second throw ni Ento. Wala.
With a blow signature foul. Answer set. Connected.
Ganda ng ginawa. Inipit ang bola sa tagiliran mga idol.
Number 7. Was blown out singing foul. Report 43. Connected two. Intercepted turning into 11. Ball still alive, 52. Intercept. Connected two.
Santa Cruz.
Intercept. Only blown singing.
2 minutes and 42 for the second quarter. First charity throw, Mr. Polina. Hindi pumasok.
Houdini. Basket.
Nabi, hindi pumasok.
Last throw for jersey number 24. Hennepin. Pull up. Intercept. Steal. Steal two. They did. Unconnected. Intercept. Connected two.
Santa Cruz.
Number 16, Santa Cruz.
May foul yun!
Player substitution.
Remaining time 11:26. Score 11:26 for 2 minutes of second quarter. So may point guard.
9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds shot clock. Intercept.
Ball.
jersey number 20 for Taz.
Kaya!
Hello, after set,
Ay, pakakaro, may pasan na.
kalaban.
Sayang. Grabe din.
Seconds to play. 59. 50. No good. 41. And the rebound by jersey number 22. That is your third foul on defense.
37 seconds. 26-13 ang score mga idol. Second quarter. Last throw, jersey number 24. Is good. Whoa! At the buzzer. That's the end. That's the end of second quarter. 28-14. CGL Titans lead by 14 points for the second quarter. Galeros. Extra pass to Widgin sa tao. Titira ng 3. Short. Ay, nag-backline. Tanawa. Okay. Sulod. Uyo! 2 points! Uyo! The 9-year-old Uyo de la Cruz. Great shot by Uyo.
We're waiting sa itong mga audience ha. Hindi lang natin ibuha ang mga players. So cheer lang ta. Hindi lang ka mag-move. And corrected. And corrected. Very good.
Pasok mo na tira ng Chichigaber.
Intercept by jersey number 7.
Bang!
No good. Long pass. Back to two.
Galeros!
Jersey number 8.
Score mga idol, 32-15 for the third quarter. 4 minutes and 35 seconds left for the third quarter. Back to the ball game mga idol. Time for the timeout. Shout out muna kay Coach GL. Ang pinakabagtik na coach sa Barangay Kampuan. Barangay Kampuan, Gagawan. Coach Joseph Lanco. Galeros to Uyo. Extend by De La Cruz. Uyo, umatak! Uyo, lakas! 2 points! Uyo! Uyo, 9-year-old! Uyo, De La Cruz still by De La Cruz!
Intercept.
Russell, Corpus try to open for 3!
No
Shoot!
good. Rebound by jersey number 12. Connect to net.
Paskidjog niya mga.
No good. Intercept. Connect for 2. Intercept. Jersey. Connect for 2. Jersey number 27. Silva.
Zona.
15 to shoot. No good. Connect for 2. Intercept. And 2.
Time for the timeout.
No good. Intercept. No good. Connect. No good. No good. Connect. No good. Rebound by jersey number 14. Intercept. Connect for 2. Intercept. Connect for 2. Not good. Ball. Para
1 minute and 29 seconds. 9 points lead.
and no good. Rebound for jersey number 22. No good.
Pasa na! Pasa na! Pasa na! Bugaya kayo oy! Sorbe! Sorbe! Nice kami!
No good. No good.
Ganda ng laban mga idol.
22 seconds. 30.
Wow!
25.
Defense! Defense!
15. Ball up.
Score mga idol. 13 seconds, 26, 39-28. Si GL Titans lead by 11 points.
No good.
Rejected by Andagan. Wanna block by CG Andagan.
7 seconds to play. Wow.
Oh, that's the end.
End of the third period.
That's the end of third period. 39-28. What a game. What a play. Ganda ng laban mga idol. Ganda ng laban. Shout out sa mga staff sa Uswag, Kibawi, Dili Hawks. Tara sila. Time for the timeout. Final quarter. Jim Sakao.
No good.
5 minutes for the final quarter. Inbound by Galeros to Santa Cruz. Papuntang bola kay Wade Jen Sakao.
After set by jersey number 20. Connect by 2. Number 8. Tradzana.
Pastilan.
22. Unconnected. No good. Tradzana 4.
Last throw, Mr. Barrel. Yes, good. 10 points lead. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 41 seconds.
Okay, both teams. Blue time up left. No good. Out to Richard. Connect with 2. 8-point lead now. No good.
Ay, galaw ka. Una, pasa.
And connected. Help.
idol. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 44-36. 8 points lead by CGL Titans.
Levin. Connect for three. Strike that Duma. With the blow. Ball out of bounds.
Huli! Seconds to play. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 38-44. Ganda ng laban mga idol.
Levin. Good rebound. With the blow. Levin. Can't connect. Ball. Nice pass. With the blow, it's a 6-point lead by CGL Titans. No good. With the blow, no good. Good rebound by it's a 4-point lead. Let's go! Levin. Can't connect. Good rebound by Kaduno.
1 minute and 45 seconds. 4 points lead. Ganda ng laban mga idol.
With the blow,
Score mga idol. 44-40.
penalty. Levin. Timeout call. Can't connect.
1 minute and 35 seconds for the final. Grabe. Grabe mga idol. Ganda ng laban. Dapat i-vlog talaga tong laban na to mga idol.
Nice pass. Para Pacquiao.
Shot na lang.
It's a 2-point lead by CGL Titans. With the blow, singing the round.
Habol mga
Jersey
idol.
number 16.
42-44.
Holding foul.
Sobrang ganda ng laban mga idol. Sino kaya manalo dito?
Nice pass. One. Levin. Can't connect. Wala pa rin. Seconds to play.
54.6 seconds. Score 44-42. Nakakamangha ang laban na ito mga idol. Nakakamangha ang laban na ito. Sobrang ganda. Grabe ang laban na ito mga idol. Talagang kinakabahan ako. Okay. Time for time out.
54 seconds for the final period. That's 54 seconds.
Huli! Huli! Oh! Defense! 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 Huli! 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 Huli!
21,
Defense! Block! Block!
20. Santa Cruz, that is your first round team penalty.
Grabe ang laban na to mga idol. Sobrang ganda ng laban mga idol.
Substitution. For the final period, last goal for Alahar. Teams are in
Score mga idol.
situation.
39.1, 46-42. Nakakamangha ang laban na to mga idol.
Next game will be VS versus Arroyo.
Screen ka lang. Screen ka wait. Screen wait. Dire ka. Dire ka. Basta. Okay. Screen. Layo. Dito ka kadulog mo. Nawa ha. Galiros. Nawa. Pagkahuman. Screen. Wig. Wig. Kuha dire.
Back to the goal line. No good. Good rebound by jersey number 12. And for Sun. Ball out of bounds. No good. 15.
Defense! CGL Titans will win! CGL Titans! For the win! That's GL! Defense! Grabe, nakakamanga ang laban na ito mga idol. Sobrang galing.
Our best player of the game, wearing jersey number 19,
Galiros. Galiros, Galiros.
Galleros.
Ah! Beast player, get. Beast player, get. Beast player. Beast player, Galeros. Laila ba picture ke? Oh, congrats CGL Titans. Score mga idol. Ang score po natin diyan, oh. 48-42. Panalo po ang CGL Titans mga idol. Sobrang ganda ng laban mga idol. Nakamahang laban. Okay, follow my YouTube channel. Maramag Paul TV. That's the wrap. Salamat mga idol sa panonood. Ang ganda ng laban. Hanggang sa susunod na video ko mga idol. Paki-subscribe po yung YouTube channel na Iman Palaban Channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Oh. Muna si Jaliros yang best player of the game.
Ito isa. Liners, kato. Again, mamalihog ko sa coach sa Kenos.
Best player of the game. Run, Jaliros. The CGL Titans parents celebrating for the win. So,
yan.
congratulations to all parents and coaches for the record of 3-0. Picturing Dr. Selva, our in this day. Coach JL. Congratulations. Congratulations, the very supportive moms here in CGL Titans. Grabe, nakakamanga yung mga performance nyo. Talagang kinabahan ako. Legend! Iman! Maraming salamat sa panonood mga idol or my YouTube channel Maramag Paul TV. Thank you for watching.